Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how are you? I got something for all you cigar lovers out here. This is a display stand with perfect patina on it, if I don't say so myself, for GARCIA Grande cigars. So again, it would be something that would be sitting on the shelves, lifts up. We're going to include the two vintage cigar boxes in there. But it's got great patina because you can see all the writing on it, all of it's being kept intact. So if you are into vintage retail displays or cigars in general, or you got a cigar shop, I know a lot of you cigar guys follow me, this will look perfect in your shop.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.